Now let's solve for the operations here. Okay, so we have this operation and this. So let's call this one K, and let's call this one M. So it's the same as K plus M equals to 3. So let's call it equation 1. And Km equals to 5, equation 2. Alright, so how do we solve for K and M? Now let's make one of the variable the subject here. So we can make M the subject from equation 1. From 1, M is the same as 3 minus K. That will be the third equation. Now let's put 3 in 2. So we put M here, that will be K times 3 minus K. Equals to, so 5. So from here you can say 3K minus K squared equals to 5. So this one is a quadratic. Let's send everything to the right hand side. That will be K squared minus 3K plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so let's use the almighty formula. Okay, the x squared plus c equal to 0. So my k will be minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. So from here, now let's assume that k is x. Okay, so once we know that k is x, my a by comparison a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is 5. Okay, so let's do the substitution here. We have k equals to, so minus b is minus 3, so we have minus 3 plus or minus b squared minus 3 squared, a is 1 and c is 5. Okay, c is 5 on 2 times a is 1. So we have k equals to 3 plus or minus, we have 9 minus 20 on 2. So k will be 3 plus or minus square root of minus 11 on 2. So we have k equals to 3 plus or minus. Now let's understand complex numbers here. So square root of minus 1 is the same as I, and I squared is the same as minus 1. So from here we can say that 11 times minus 1 on 2. So we can say 3 plus or minus square root of 11 times square root of negative 1 on 2. Remember, square root of negative 1 is the same as I. So we have k equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 11 I on 2. All right, so we have this information here. Now, remember, we are after K and M. So let's look at M. M is 3 minus K. Okay. M is 3 minus K. But K1 is 3 plus 11I on 2. Then K2 3 minus 11I on 2. So let's do the substitution here. So my M1 with 3 minus. So let's plug in this. 3 plus 11I on 2. So we can make this side over 1 and find the LCM. That is 2. 1 to 2, 2 times 3, 6 minus. So we have this minus will affect this. Minus 3 minus 11I. So my M1 is simply minus 6 minus 3 will be 3. 3 minus 11I on 2. Okay, so that is M1. Now let's look at M2 when K2 is given. So this is K2, 3 minus root 11I. I think this one will alternate. So let's check. So 3 minus K, but K is 3 minus root 11 on 2. So we have LCM as 2. 1 into 2, 2 times 3, 6. So we have this one going in minus 3 plus 11I. So we have 3 plus 11I on 2. That is M2. So in short, so K is the same as, so let's record that. K is the same as this operation, triangle. K is the same as this operation. Have two answers. That is 3 plus 11I on 2. 11I on 2 and 3 minus 11I on 2. So my M, which is the intersection, so when K is this side will be 3 minus 11I on 2, and this side will also be 3 plus 11 1 on. So this one is symmetrical. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Thanks for watching.